Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for a presentation. I am Mamunur Rashid, ID 1920022, Department of Tripoli, Ramadaposha University. Today my topic is optical fiber communication. Introduction. Optical communication, also known as optical telecommunication, is communication is distance using light to carry information. It can be performed visually or by using electronic device. The article provides a basic introduction to different form of optical communication. Light travel down a fiber optic cable by bouncing of the wall of cable repeatedly. Each light particle photon bounces down the pipe and continued of the cable. The core is the middle of the cable and the glasses structure. There have on a figure the optical fiber. There we see the coding. This is a coding insulation part, and second part is cladding, and third part is core. That is a core, optical fiber core. For advantage, the fiber optics communication: secure communication, electromagnetic compatibility, speed, distance. Secure communication, fiber optic cabling is considered one of the most secure means of communication. Electromagnetic compatibility, fiber optic cabling is resistant to many of the outside force that degrade copper cabling. Speed, fiber optic cabling is many times faster than traditional copper cabling. And distance. Three main advantages of optical communication: long transmission distance, save energy. Suppose you want to transmit 10 gigabyte of information of the is 1 second, 10 billion signal. Transmit massive amount of information at one time. Fast communication speed. Bandwidth. Describe the maximum data transfer rate of a network or internet connection. For example, a gigabyte Ethernet connection has bandwidth of 1000 Mbps. An internet connection via cable modem may provide 2 to 5 Mbps of bandwidth. SNR, defined as the ratio of signal power to the noise power, often expressed is decibel, a ratio higher than 1:1, indicated more signal than noise. SNR bandwidth and channel capacity of the communication channel are connected by the Shannon-Hartley theorem. Definition of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave are waves that are created as a result of vibrant between the electric field and a magnetic field. In other words, electromagnetic waves are composed of oscillating magnetic and electric field. They are hence known as electromagnetic waves. There have a SNR signal to noise ratio. This axis is power decibel per meter, and that is a wavelength Nm. That curve is touch of the power beam, and this is a point of RVW 1 m and RVW is equal to 0.01 m. Attenuation is the loss of signal strength in networking cables or connection. The typically is measured a decibel or voltage and can occur due to a variety of factors. There I have a figure. We see that this sine wave is going to the pass of time variant signal, and this axis is going to that the attenuation is loss of signal, that is strength. That is strength is loss of signals of networking cables. Thank you.